Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to import Metamask wallet into Trustwallet. Metamask is a Ethereum wallet with NFT, the decentralized application known as dApps and DeFi. The difference between Metamask and Trustwallet is that Trustwallet is a multi-cryptocurrency wallet that holds over 1 million different digital assets, while Metamask is primarily an Ethereum wallet. However, Trustwallet has more features which include staking, farming, and so on. In this video, you are going to learn step-by-step guides on how to import your Metamask to Trustwallet. But before we start, please do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell for you to know when I upload new videos. In order to import an existing Metamask account to Trustwallet, follow this simple step-by-step guide in this video. First, you need to install the two apps. You need to install Metamask and Trustwallet. Then after that, you need to get the public Ethereum address on Metamask wallet. You need to write it down, or you take a screenshot of the Ethereum address. Then after that, click on Setting, tap on Security and Privacy, and click on Review Secret Recovery Phrase. Do not take screenshots of your recovery phrase. Write it down on a paper and store it safe. Do not share it with anyone. Go to Trustwallet app. Open the Trustwallet app and tap on the setting at the lower side of your screen. Click on Wallet. Click on the icon that looks like cross. Then click on I already have wallet. Select Ethereum. In order for you to recognize your wallet, write a name that you will remember and write down your 12 phrase. Write down your 12 phrase. Then after that, click on Import and wait for confirmation. Once your wallet is imported successfully, then confirm the successful migration on your Metamask wallet by using the Ethereum address you copied at the first time. If you create wallet for multiple blockchains in the Metamask, you can also import all of them to the Trust wallet. For you to do that, follow the same process, then click on multi-coin wallets instead of Ethereum. Write your 12 phrases and click on Import. Now you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency and NFT. You can also stake, farm. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment your suggestion or challenge on comment section.